Alright, today we're going to be replacing the tail light on a 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman. This is really super easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do here is remove this panel. You see this panel here, all we do is push forward toward the front of the car and pull it out, just like that. Snaps right off. You can see inside here, there's the light, the tail light fixture in here. This is the bracket. If I can get my hand in there. This is the bracket here, right there, that the light bulbs connect to, and that connects to the back of the tail light. What you're going to want to do is remove this wiring harness here, and then remove the bulb holder, this large gray plastic bracket. I'm not going to be able to do both of those things while holding the camera, so I'm going to do those separately and then show you how to do it. So this is the new tail light that we're about to put on. You can see if I flip it over, this is what the back looks like. This is what the back of the old one looks like exactly. This is the bulb holder. This is what I just removed out of this hole here. This bulbs just snap right onto the back. Just snap right onto the back of the tail light fixture, just like that. So when you pull it off, you can see this little tab right here. This tab just lifts. Push this tab up. Push this tab up. You can see where I caught my thumb there. Push this tab up like that, and it just pulls off easily, just like that. Alright, now that we have the wiring harness and the bulb holder disconnected from the back of the tail light, there's nothing else holding the tail light on. We just have to unsnap it out of place. So to do that, first thing we're going to do is slide up. See how that gives a little bit? Slide up, and then pull towards the front of the vehicle, just like that, and it'll snap right off. It's wedged in there a little bit. Work it out. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Snaps right out. Now we're going to snap the new one on in exactly the same way. So this front edge goes on first. Make sure that's in. Like so. Pop it into place, and we're all set. That's all there is. Now you'll just reverse everything, attach the bulb holder, attach the wiring harness, and you're good to go.